Very good. 2 and 5. All right. And then we will bring down 3 because 3 is already a prime number. So to answer our question earlier, which pack of oranges should he buy so he can repack them into bags of 2, 3, or 5? And based on our factorization here, the correct answer is 30. So he should pick the pack with 30 oranges so that he can repack them into 2, 5, and 3 packs or pieces. So what we did here is called prime factorization. When we say prime factorization, it is expressing a given number as a product of prime factors. So here,